Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are to demonstrate the latest armored engineer vehicle of the Russian Army, UBIM, literally meaning Universal Combat Engineer Vehicle. It is a tough guy among other engineer material and it combines features of several different vehicles. It was designed to meet requirements of the Russian Army and is intended to ensure advancement of troops and perform engineering work under enemy fire, even over radioactively contaminated terrain. This new system can replace a whole set of Russian engineer vehicles, including IMR-2, IMR-2M, IMR-3 and IMR-3M armored engineer vehicles, BAT-1, BAT-1M and BAT-2 tracklayers. In some cases, it can even substitute armored recovery vehicles and mine-clearing vehicles. The UBIM is based on either T-72 or T-90 main battle tank chassis. It has an armored superstructure instead of the turret. Main role of this vehicle is various route opening and route clearing operations. It can be also used for other roles. The UBIM can dig and fill ditches, remove obstacles, create safe passages through minefields, recover stuck tanks and so on. The vehicle accommodates a crew of 2 and behind them there are places for 3 sappers. The curb weight of the vehicle is 52 tons but can be increased to 55 tons when fitted with add-on equipment and LED modules. It is powered by a 1,130 horsepower engine. Maximum speed on highway is up to 60 km per hour or up to 40 km per hour over unpaved roads. The UBIM boasts great mobility characteristics. The tank chassis allows for it. The UBIM is organically fitted with a remote control weapon station with the core 12.7mm heavy machine gun with 1,200 cartridges. This station is used for self-defense. It is effective against slightly armored vehicles and low-flying helicopters. There is a large front-mounted dozer blade. It can be used in a V-shaped or straight configuration. In bulldozer mode, the blade is 4.5 meters wide. It is used for earth-moving operations, grading, road clearing, filling ditches and obstacle removal. It can follow terrain contours. During earth-working operations, the doze blade has a capacity of around 200 to 250 cubic meters per hour. When not in use, the blade is folded upwards. The UBIM has a multi-purpose arm, which can be used for digging and obstacle removing missions. In traveling order, this arm is traversed to the rear, making the UBIM resemble a scorpion, thus its nickname. The maximum boom reach is at least 7 meters. The claw's bulk is 0.85 cubic meters. Lifting capacity of the arm is 4 tons at the maximum boom reach and 7.5 tons at a minimum. There is a powerful hydraulic jackhammer at the rear of the hull. It can be used to break up concrete. Energy of a single stroke of the hammer is at least 2,000 joules. This jackhammer can be removed and replaced with other hydraulic equipment. The UBIM is fitted with a recovery winch. This vehicle can be used to recover damaged, swamped, stuck, immobilized and overturned tanks and other combat vehicles. The pulling effort is at least 25-ton force and the rope length is 100 meters. This armored engineer vehicle can be also equipped with a mine-clearing plow. The UBIM is well protected and can operate on the battlefield under enemy fire. Add-on armor kit can be fitted for a high level of protection. The vehicle is equipped with NBC protection and automatic fire suppression systems. Also, there are smoke grenade dispensers. The UBIM is a versatile tool capable of conducting almost all types of land works. To learn more about the UBIM armored engineer vehicle, please visit our official website. There in the catalog you will find information on other engineering equipment, including engineer ammunition, demining suits, detector equipment and others. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share and like the video, and leave your comments. Always stay tuned and welcome to the Army International Military Technical Forum.